up everybody, it's your girl Shruti and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. So today's video is going to be episode 4 of all the products I've ever tried before. I know you guys have been waiting for a really long time for this video, and in this video I'm going to talk about hair gels. So if you don't know about this series and if you have stumbled upon my channel for the very first time, then in this series I talk about all the products I've ever tried before. From the time I started my curly girl journey when it comes to hair gel, मैंने curly girl journey start करने के बाद ही किया है. So from that point till now, all the hair gels I've ever tried before, I'm gonna give you guys a mini review about it, whether you should buy it, whether you should not buy it, and what are my favorites. I'm gonna talk everything. And if you're new to my channel and if you're seeing this face for the first time, then hi, my name is Shruti and I make videos related to curly hair, beauty, fashion, lifestyle. You should definitely subscribe because I have a lot of content that you would love in 2022. So without further ado, let's get started. This is literally the first video that I'm shooting in 2022. Can you believe it? And it's what? 11 Jan already. I feel like I'm lacking back, but I haven't even wished you guys. So hey, Happy New Year to you, your family, to all your loved ones. May you guys have a beautiful, filled with joy and prosperous new year. And I know you guys are seeing my face after a very long time, after a week almost, because I didn't do anything. I didn't shoot, I didn't go anywhere, I didn't do anything fancy. I just was relaxing, sleeping, catching up on my sleep, relaxing. That's all I did. And that's all that my body really wanted to do. So I just gave it that time. It's like, hey, recharge yourself because 2022 is gonna be lit. After that week, this week, I started doing a lot of stuff that I really wanted to do and I'm really happy at the moment. So you guys will definitely see all of this in the vlogs, but now let's just stick to the topic and talk about today's video. So, hair gels. Shruti, why do we even need to use a hair gel? Now, I mainly rely on gels for hold. I love lots and lots of hold, but it also gives a little bit of frizz relief and a little bit of moisture. I mainly rely on my leave-in conditioner for moisture and frizz relief, but gel is mainly for hold. Now, why do you even need hold? Suppose you just came out of shower, you've done your curly hair routine, did the shampoo, conditioner, styled it with a leave-in conditioner, and you're all good to go. Throughout the day, the curls do get a little loose and start to lose a little bit of shape. You touch your hair throughout the drying process. Someone else touches your hair throughout the drying process. And the curls are not exactly how you want it to look like. And you're thinking, why? Why is that happening? That's because you're not using a gel. Now, gel gives it that hold, gives it that freeze thing. Okay, or whatever work you've done on your hair, it just freezes it in that position till it's completely dry. You have to understand that curly hair, when it's wet, it's easily manipulated, but when it dries, it just holds and it just bees in that place. So you want something that holds your curls in the place, all the work that you've put in, all the things that you do with your fingers, you want that to last longer, right? Last throughout the drying process. So gel does that for you. And yes, you do get a gel cast once your hair is completely dry, but that's great. You actually do want the gel cast. That means your gel is actually working and it's freezing your hair in the position that you want, which can be easily broken. By the way, gel cast, you just have to use a little bit of a serum or a little bit of oil. Even if you don't use any product, that's fine as well. Just your fingers and just your hands and just scrunch. That's it. The gel cast is broken. You have nice soft hair and not really stiff and brittle hair. Just have to scrunch it, fluff it out, scrunch it a little bit more and you're good to go. I started using gels much later in my curly hair journey. Pehle to I used to use just shampoo, conditioner and leave-in conditioner. And leave-in conditioner also I used to use very little. Thoda sa laga ki haan ho gaya karke. Obviously I didn't knew back then how much to use and all of that. You learn it throughout the process. But yeah, तभी मेरा budget इतना ही था to use only shampoo conditioner. That's what I could afford, and it's completely fine. जितना आपका budget है, जितना आपके पास pocket money है, उतना ही खरीदो. आगे जाके you can invest a little bit more when you start earning and all that shit. You don't have to buy everything एक साथ ही चाहिए. First learn how to take care of your hair, and products आते रहेंगे यार. आगे जाके और products आएंगे. More cheaper products will come, or more expensive good products will come. It's completely fine. Use whatever you have in your budget basically. So let's start with the first category, which is high-end brand. And this is literally the first thing that I ever bought is Mop Top Curly Hair Custard. Okay, As I said, I didn't knew पहले कौन से products है. I used to watch all these foreigners doing their curly hair routine and I thought यही है, इंडिया में तो products है ही नहीं, यही मिलते हैं और यही use करना है. So I got it off of Amazon. And obviously it's a foreign brand, foreign product है, इंडिया में आके टैक्स लगे तो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव हो जाता है. I don't even remember, but last time I checked it was around like 3,000 or something. I remember इतना तो मैंने पे नहीं किया था. I think 1,500 तक पे किया था, but still it's so freaking expensive. And surprisingly it's not sheer moisture. Sheer moisture का I don't remember कि उन लोग ने gel introduce किया है. अभी भी I don't see a lot of gels in their brand. I may be wrong, but Mop Top is the one that I saw a lot of YouTubers use, so I got it for myself. And trust me, it's till now it's the best hair gels I've ever used. It's beautiful, it's amazing. The texture is like the actual gels that you see, you know, set wet wo sab hota hai. It kind of looks very similar to that. I loved the way my hair looked after using that. It's very expensive. I would not recommend it for Indian users, but obviously for people who are in foreign, and Mop Top cheaper brand hai by the way, foreign में, यहाँ नहीं. तो अगर आपको easily available है, आपके budget में है, so please grab it. It's a beautiful product, beautiful results you will get. Your curls are just gonna look chumeshwari. Just grab it if you have that budget. The second product I want to talk about in the high-end category is Ashba. It's their curl defining gel with rosemary and chamomile in it. It's a beautiful product. Now I've used both their leave-in conditioner as well as this. Leave-in I was not a big fan of, but this one on the other hand works really well. It's a beautiful gel, gives a nice hold and nice cast to your hair. Your hair will look really good and hold for a really long time. But the only thing I'm not really happy about is the price. The price is a little too much for Indian standards. I would say 500 के ज़्यादा कोई भी देने के लिए 100 बार सोचता है कि like is it really good? Is it really that good? It is good. Don't get me wrong, but I think there are better ones or even similar ones out there for a much cheaper price. So price point के हिसाब से I would really not recommend. And that's all the products I've used from the high-end brand. Now let's move on to the mid-range, which is rupees 500 rupees and more. So the first product I want to talk about in the mid-range category is Arata hair gel. Now this has organic flaxseed extract. That is the only ingredient that I have listed as the bold thing. Now this one is 599 rupees ka, and I think it's no longer available. ये packaging, as you can see, it's very old bottle. And ये packaging तो मुझे अभी दिख ही नहीं रहा है. I don't know if they've changed just the packaging or the products itself. I'm not really sure, but ये पुराना वाला bottle है और यही मैंने use किया है. बहुत पहले लिया हुआ था मैंने. And my review is it's average. There are better ones out there in the market. I feel it's literally just flaxseed extract, and that you can actually DIY it. So why would you pay 599 rupees? I would say hold wise एवरेज है, एकदम ज़्यादा भी अच्छा होल्ड नहीं है, and it does not really help your curls to last that longer. So I would really pass on this. The second product I want to talk about in the mid-range category is Kaios Botanicals Pure Flaxseed Gel. This is the product that I've used today, as you can see, and these are the results. This one definitely doesn't give you a lot of volume, but it does stretches and elongates your curl, and that's what is written on the packaging as well. It is for elongated curls. It does give the definition. There is no frizz, but it elongates the curl. So if you are into very voluminous curls, then this is not the product for you. But if you like a little less voluminous but elongated curls, then this is the product for you. Again, it gives a really good hold and it does last a really long time. So according to price range, I would say it's a so-so product. The next product I want to talk about in the mid-range is Curl Up. It's their Ultra Defining Hair Gel. Now you guys know I really like Curl Up products, but for the longest time they did lack a hair gel. I think 2021 में उन्होंने launch किया है, and before that they just had shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner. That's all. The leave-in conditioner did have a little bit of hold, but definitely didn't have that much hold that I would like it. And they finally launched it, which I'm very happy about. Finally, the whole range is complete and I really like it because mid-range hai, still good enough pricing that people can actually afford it. The products are really good. So, pura range hoga to people don't have to, branch out to some other brand. They can just use one brand ka whole stuff. I really like Curl Up brand. If you are OG subscribers, then you already know this about me. I really like their products, and this one is no exception. It gives a really great hold and lasts you for a really long time. The curls actually last a really long time. So, a good product from my end. And the last product I want to talk about in the mid-range is Fix My Curls. It's their hair defining gel. It's called Glaze. I think in naming system abhi nahi hai. It's just called hair defining glaze now. And I love that they have more gels in their range. Also, this one does have protein in it. The second one I think does not have protein in it. I will be talking about it in the future. But this one is 250 gram, and I love that they have options. Okay, they have 50 gram ka travel version. They have 100 gram ka budget friendly one, and they also have 250 gram a big bottle. I love that because you get the option to choose a travel size one to actually check whether it works for your hair or not. Do you really like it? Do you really want to invest in it? Or if that's all your budget can allow, then hey, you can actually get something off of this brand, which I feel it's really good and really amazing actually. This brand, this exact curl definer with protein is my absolute favorite. My curls love it. This is obviously the first one in the favorites category. The Curl Up one will be second one, but this one is at the top. I love this. I love it. And that's all the products I've tried in the mid-range. And आपको मैंने favorites भी बता दिया. So let's move on to the budget-friendly range, which I know everyone loves. I love it too, man. In this, I'll talk about products which are 500 rupees and less than that. So the first product I want to talk about, and actually the only product I have in the budget friendly range, is Fix My Curls. This is Curl Quenching Flaxseed Jelly. This one is really good. It's actually very similar to the Glaze one. The only difference I see is इसमें protein नहीं है, उसमें protein है. So if you are protein sensitive or your hair does not like a lot of protein, go for protein free one. If your hair likes a lot of protein, like my hair loves protein, that one works really well. Both of them actually work really well. So this one is also a big thumbs up. I feel I really need to try more affordable ones. This is the only product I've tried which is under 500. So definitely let me know in the comments down below any affordable hair gels under 500 rupees ka that you have tried, you have loved, and you want me to try and review or just use it for myself. So definitely let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, that's all the products I have for budget friendly range. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit that like button. I'll link all the products in the description down below. And do all that good stuff, man. Share it with your friends. Obviously, आपको पसंद आया होगा ये video, end तक देखा तो share भी कर दो, subscribe कर दो, hit the bell notification. And that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. But before that, comment shout out goes to Sonal Dalvi Mathia. Sonal, you are the sweetest and the cutest. And thank you so much for the wishes. Happy New Year to you too. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. Highest floor of the Bowery, and I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that little